What's great, everyone? We are back. It is January 24th, 2025, and we are back with another update on GBPJPY, which we're completely slaughtering. It's playing out exactly how we had it mapped out. And let's get straight to it. As you can see back here in this on the 17th of January, we entered this long here on H1. If you have not seen the video, you can go back into the ideas. You can see the breakdown live um, as the trade progressed. Um, Someone had mentioned if I believe this 192.97 area would break, and I replied and said yes. And the reason why I said yes is because once we've touched this level here on the H1 time frame, we had a nice pullback, retested it again, nice pullback, holding the actual market structure level here at the 192.43. Let me just put a box there so you can see. Okay, this market structure level held right here. It kept retesting the 192.43 area, never being able to break through. We then finally got another push above and closed at 193.34, and as always, looking for volume, in which we got the volume here. So you can see down here on the bottom of the screen. Going to the H4 time frame, you can also see a nice closure. Okay, we didn't get volume on this candle. Let's move this out so you can see. We did not get volume on this candle closure here. So any entries that were attempted, I did not take. However, I entered another long here at the close of this candle today, which looks something like this. Okay, that was based off H4, placing my stops here. Obviously targeting the high of the 194.69 area, which looks like it'll hit soon. And then overall, looking to target these highs at the, well, most likely coming 198.10 and then possibly 198.85. Again, the reason why we're doing this is because we are in a range that I've been pointing out, that if it cannot break out of this, we will trade the range. The market is ranging 75 to 80% of the time. So you have to learn how to trade in between those areas. Overall, I do believe eventually the GBP will drop into lower levels like the 183.88. However, I don't try to guess what the market does. I let the market show its hand, as I always say. This is a very bullish weekly candle with volume that closes in the next 5 hours to end the week. So if it does close this way, I will continue to look for buys up into the highs of this consolidation area. Okay, I'll continue to hold, and I'll scale down to our lower time frames like the H1 time frame and see if we can get another pullback, possibly to the 194 area, and then see if I can get a clean entry with volume back up. All right, but this is more of an update video. If you have not seen, again, I always say the market's looking for liquidity. When we entered here on this bullish candle, targeting liquidity here, 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 okay, even here, and then overall here, which looks like we will definitely hit. And then if we can, again, break and hold, consolidate, it could dip below, but coming back up with volume, staying above here, we should continue higher based off of what the weekly looks like at the moment. If the weekly tends to weaken and the candle starts to close with a wick, I will reanalyze. However, with this type of volume, I do not believe it's going to happen. We have 1, 2, 3 from the 30th of December all the way to the 13th of January, 3 bearish candles going from the peak of 199.05 to the very bottom at 189.30. 3 weeks of candles, and this one weekly candle looks like it'll engulf those last 2 weeks. However, we have 5 hours, and let's see if that happens. If we do hit our next hit, it will be an engulfing candle on the weekly if it can hold these levels, which tells me there's a lot of buyers. Okay, and as of right now, that candle has absolutely no wick at the top, which shows a lot of bullish strength. Looks like we had another TP hit on Euro GBP. I'll go over that possibly next week. Oh, I actually went over it. yeah, we'll peek on that next week as an update. But that's all I have for the pound yen. Once again, if you like what you see, if you want me to continue to share my insights, make sure to follow, boost it, like it, share it with a fellow trader, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.